Ize-Iyamu.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
I scored 94% of the total vote cast. Across the 77 wards, I won all the wards in Edo South. If you have been so generous to me, why can't I give you my all? Even my local government, I didn't get that. I got 86. I could go on and on and on. So, when I had the opportunity to nominate the first ambassador, I nominated Ize-Iyamu. And I'm happy of the 12 ambassadors retained. Ize-Iyamu, who was our speaker, is one of the ambassadors that are retained on merit. On merit. So I want to assure you, I apologize for my poor judgment. As they say, you can never know human being until he has money and he has power. Then his true color comes out. So if those who told me that this man will betray, they have turned out to be true. God has a reason for keeping me alive and well and strong, so that working with you, your highnesses, we will correct the mistake and bring someone who will make up for lost time. Everything I was doing for the Eniges, I'm sure Pastor Ize-Iyamu will return it. Those annual meetings, he will return it.
DGM TV.